video we are going to talk about VR Studio, a brand new AI fusion-based technology to create and sell highly profitable 360 degrees interactive videos and images in minutes. Interactive 360 degrees virtual tours videos are the new face of marketing. Here are some of the advantages of VR Studio. 1. Create interactive 360 superscripto virtual videos to get hordes of customers. 2. A brand new way to quickly and easily present virtual interactive videos, storytelling in a simple manner. 3. Open floodgates of red-hot leads with premium giveaways, rewards, incentives, etc. 4. Easily connect with your audience using a dedicated image gallery. 5. Fully showcase your business or product with your audience. 6. Easily export your virtual videos and use anywhere. 7. Create a 3D view and show your tour in an immersive and interactive mode. 8. Show before and after version of a panorama in the same view by split the screen. 9. Experience 3D virtual reality mode directly inside the browser. 10. Be creative with extensive customization of point of interest. 11. Profit from hungry buyers in hot niches like hospitality, business consultation, hotels and resorts, real estate, Airbnb, day cars, commerce, restaurants, old age homes, etc. 12. Invite people to join your shared video with video, audio call and chat. Check out these premium, mind-blowing virtual videos rated using VRStudio. Store demo. Third model. House tour demo. Art gallery demo. Measurements demo. Embed contents demo. 3D embed demo. Inside house tour demo. With VR Studio in your corner, you can win the video marketing battle once and for all. 1. 2. Connect with widely scattered customers with no physical presence. 3. Increase engagement and conversions now. 4. Create a captivating online visual experience with no hassle. 5. Give an unforgettable viewing experience to your customers. 6. Get maximum exposure for your products and services. 7. A smart and effective marketing strategy to get higher ROI. 8. Drive tons of targeted leads, sales and profits for your offers. Let's face it, virtual videos are the present and future of video marketing. Here's the truth. In this era of digital media and mobile technology, consumers aren't just regularly exposed to various modes of media, they're constantly bombarded by it. Yes, numbers reveal that customers are exposed to an average of 500 ads per day to upwards of 5,000. Virtual interactive videos have come like a fresh ray of sunshine and are here to stay for long. Here's why interactive videos and images are a must for every business owner. 88% marketers say interactive content differentiates them from their competitors. Interactive video creates 66% more engagement and 44% longer viewing time. Interactive videos are shared 29% more times and help create greater brand or product awareness. Interactive content generates 4-5x more page views than static content. The click-through rate for interactive video is 10x higher than a passive video. 93% marketers said interactive content is very effective at educating buyers. Industries across the universe are using virtual video to rope in maximum customers. 1. Automotive industry. VR allows engineers and designers to experiment easily with the look and build of a vehicle before commissioning expensive prototypes. Companies such as BMW and Jaguar Land Rover have been using VR for years to hold early design and engineering reviews. 2. Healthcare. VR is making a significant impact in healthcare. Healthcare professionals can use VR to better prepare themselves for any situation. 3. Retail. With VR retail experiences and body scanning technology, we will be able to try on clothes in the virtual world to see what they look like in person. 4. Tourism. In the post-COVID era, The developments in VR for tourism enable you to try a holiday before you buy it. Imagine being able to experience a guided tour of Barcelona or Budapest from your home in California or Singapore. 5. Real estate. Companies like Matterport are leading the way for people to explore houses online and get a feel for the space, saving time looking around places that might be smaller, dark, or otherwise not what you expected. 6. Gambling. Fancy yourself as a poker pro? You can play multiplayer poker in VR just like you're playing in reality. It's just like being in a real casino where you can talk to other players and read their body language. 7. Entertainment. VR is being used in the entertainment industry to heighten experiences with 360 films and increase emotional connection with the characters or film itself. 8. Sports. The way that we watch sports is already changing, with several VR companies specializing in watching live sports events. You can now watch the NBA, NFL, and other events in VR. 9. Business events, meetings and conferences. Since VR enables individuals to meet in places virtually, it's no surprise that the pandemic brought a rise in VR events, conferences and meetings. Platforms such as Glue, Arthur and Meeting Room can be used to hold collaborative, interactive meetings with colleagues from anywhere in the world. 10. Social. VR enables people to meet in the same virtual space from anywhere in the world. Once in VR, or the metaverse, people can visit virtual cinemas, restaurants, beaches, concerts, and more together. Even the world's top brands use virtual interactive videos and images to give an unparalleled customer experience. Oreo, Hyundai, Nike, Samsung, Jumeirah, Nissan, Red Bull, Ford. Proven fact. Virtual videos drive more engagement, conversions and profits for businesses worldwide. Google reported an increased viewership of 4,106% for online exhibits and tours. Websites with virtual videos receive 5 to 10 times longer views than those without it. According to Forbes, virtual events increased by 1,000% in 2022. There are over 5 million visits on virtual interactive videos every day worldwide. By 2026, the online event industry should grow by $2.3 trillion. 84% of people said they wanted a virtual option for events. Take a quick look at the kind of money freelancers are charging for creating a single virtual video. Make your business 2023 ready using interactive videos and pack a lasting punch on your competitors. Interactive videos are intelligent, dynamic, personalized, and perfect for optimizing any brand. With interactive videos, consumers can engage with a brand one-on-one and have an actual conversation based on their response. Now, just imagine. What if you can create your first virtual interactive video or image in just 3 simple steps? Step 1. Upload image video. To get started, just upload the image or the video from your mobile camera or iPhone in a whisker. Step 2. Upload to VR Studio. Now, upload your videos to VR Studio and create your first highly appealing virtual interactive videos in few clicks. Step 3. Sell and profit. Great, you're all set. Now sell these interactive videos to hordes of audience globally and start profiting right away. Creation technology to change the game without paying for any expensive monthly subscriptions or other multiple apps. Creating a single video yourself. Needing any prior video creation or editing skills. Doing any grunt work or manual hassles. Having prior tech or marketing skills. Any monthly or yearly fees hassles.